Hey everybody, Jennifer from Memories Made Art. I have heard that there are some people with their Cricut still in the box, so if you're one of those people, this video is for you. The Cricut has so many neat things that you can do with it, and it just pains me that some are still in their box somewhere not being used. You can totally do this. I don't think it's as hard to operate as some people are worried about. My dog says hi. So go grab your Cricut, pause the video, and come back. I'll show you how to hook it up. It's really easy. What you're gonna do when you pull your Cricut out of the box, you're gonna have two cords. This is the power cord, so this is the end you plug into the wall, of course, and then this is the one that you plug into the back. Your power cord may come separated from the power supply. I don't think it will. I don't think mine was, but if it does, you just plug that right into the back of the power supply, and that's just a little brick. And so this is your entire power cord right here. Mine is very long. I don't know how long yours is going to be. Mine's the Cricut Explore Air 2, and it's a couple years old now. Still works great. So we're going to turn it around. I'm going to be very careful here. I think they're pretty durable, but I'm always extra careful. I want mine to last a long time. So these are the ports on the back of the Cricut. So this is the power cord. So you're going to take the round end of the power cord and plug it right in. And the other cord you have is a USB cord, and that is just a little rectangle thing. Most of your keyboards and mice have the USB plug. And this end, the one that with the C on it, plugs into the Cricut. You're going to have like a rounded top and then a flat bottom. And you can see it'll match up directly with the port here. So I'm just going to plug this in, if I can do it. There we go. And it should sort of lock in. Those are good and tight. And then you're going to take this end, which is the USB end, and plug it into your computer. Now, the Airs, anything with an Air in it or the Cricut Maker is going to have Wi-Fi capability, but if your Cricut is still in the box, I'm guessing you're probably not super comfortable with setting up Wi-Fi. If you are, great, go for it. I actually prefer to have mine hardwired. I feel like it works just a little bit better. So if you're not super familiar with computers, this is, I'm going to show you what a USB port looks like. So this is a USB port. It's rectangular. It's usually got a little slot in there. And if you have a laptop, it's usually on the side of your laptop. If you have a computer, it's usually like a tower computer. It's usually in the back of the desktop tower. So you're just going to plug the USB, and I got to line it up right. You should have the little flap up here. There should be space for it in there. And really, quite frankly, I think most people just plug it in 2 or 3 times until it fits right. If you try to plug it in upside down, it won't go in. So gentle in, and you're all set up. So these 2 cords are literally all there is to getting your computer hooked up to your Cricut machine, and then you can go from there. If you want to use your app with the Cricut on your phone, I don't do that, just it's personal preference. I like to have the big computer screen, so we'll cover that in a separate video if you want me to. Drop that in the comments if you want to see that too. But you're all hooked up, so our next video is going to be signing up for Cricut and getting Design Space downloaded onto your computer. So that's it. Your Cricut's hopefully hooked up now. If it's not, or if you had any trouble, leave me a note in the comments section below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If this video was helpful and you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. If this video was not helpful or not what you thought it would be, please let me know that too, because that helps me make better videos. The next videos in the series, we will be looking at how to install the Cricut Design Space software so you can actually use the Cricut that is now hooked up. Yay! And then we will look at cutting an image. I'm also going to do a very short video on how to put the paper on the sticky mat, just in case anyone has any confusion around that or wants to learn a better way to do it. There are a couple tips and tricks there. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.